when I speak English, my mind goes blank. But when I try to speak English, I can't speak English perfectly. So I don't understand that how to learn English and how to speak English. And when I can't speak English, it's feel me I stop there itself to learn English. And that's when you lose desire to learn English, and then you don't learn English. So hello dear, I'll keep bringing small videos for you to learn English. So if you are a beginner and if you honestly learn to speak English, and when you speak English your mind goes blank. So friend, this video especially for you. And mind goes blank, it's due to uh, nervousness and overthinking and lack of practice. So friends, don't worry, this video will be more helpful to you. Okay, so here are some strategies to you. If you follow these tips, then definitely obviously you will learn English and you will be able to speak English. Okay, so first, speaking practice regularly. Yes my dear, if you will practice regularly, then honestly you will be able to speak English. So you speak English with your friends and with your siblings, and when you speak English your mind goes blank. So hello everyone, I'm Sonia, and if your mind goes blank when you speak English, so this video is especially for you. So first, like, share this video and subscribe the channel. So let's start our video. So when you speak English your mind goes blank while speaking. It's usually due to nervousness and overthinking and lack of practice. So don't worry, here are some the best strategies. If you follow these, then definitely, obviously, you will be able to speak English and obviously you can learn English. Okay. So my dear, first, speaking practice regularly. Yes my dear, if you will practice regularly, then definitely you can learn English. First, when we think to learn English, then first, then the first thing comes to our mind, then how to learn speaking practice regularly. Although you feel like mistakes, so don't worry mistakes, because each mistake a step towards improve. So don't fear mistakes, make mistakes. Everyone make mistakes, and everyone learn make mistakes. So first you learn, you speak English and don't fear make mistake. Okay, and speaking practice, how to speaking practice. So for speaking practice, uh, you can speaking practice with your siblings at your home and with your friends, and more and more speaking practice with yourself. Try to yourself speaking practice. So if you practice more and more, then the more you will be improved. Friends, it's you will see yourself. First you practice more and more, then you will see yourself how better than before. So if you have any partner, then you can speaking practice with them, and the more you practice, then the more you will be improved, the more you will be confident. So in such a way you can improve your speaking English practice, speaking English language. And next thing is focus on keyword. Focus on, if your mind goes blank, then you focus on word key, important words. And as if try to speak in English as if I'm speaking English and I need to do some work and I'm going to market, and after that I have to go to school, like. And in such a way you can improve your keywords, vocabulary words and word meanings, and learn common phrases. Memorize common phrases, memorize important phrases. Friends, common phrases will be help you when your mind freezes. Okay, these will help you fill gaps. Phrases you should learn more and more. Although you feel like I am not speaking fastly and fluently, so no need to worry, no need worry, no speak fastly. You just try to speak English slowly. Okay, and friends, rushing makes mistake. Although make mistakes, something will be not, but uh, you can speak English slowly. Then in beginning day you speak English slowly, and gradually you can speak English fastly and fluently. So in beginning day you speak slowly, not fastly, and after some days you can see, you will be see yourself that how to improve better than before. And visualize the conversation. Imagine common stories in English and common situation and thinking in English, and whatever comes to in your mind, you speak in English and thinking in English and try to speak in English yourself. Okay, and imagine in English whatever you thinking in English, you can you speak, although you seems wrong or right. Stop like this thinking, let's start speaking English. Wherever you feel you stuck, then pause and take breath and again start speaking English. And if you forget word, so don't panic. uh, Take a breath and start again and again, and continue practice with real life situations. You can join English group sessions and practice voice chats online. Friends, although you don't use Instagram, Facebook and Twitter and any application can be, so just I want to say, uh, honestly you will be used to WhatsApp, so you can make WhatsApp group, and in WhatsApp group you talk to by voice chat message. Okay, no typing message, no typing, uh, you talk to by voice chatting message. And practice thinking in English. Friend, instead translating from your native speaker English, train your brain thinking directly in English. Start with simple thoughts like I need to finish my work and I need to go from here. And there are so many sentences you can use and you can speak in English. Okay. And friends, last is the most important thing, positive self talk. Yes, my dear, positive self talk. Remind yourself that is okay, make mistakes. Each make mistakes, step toward improvement. So don't worry, make mistakes. If you learn to speak English, then the learn speak. And don't worry, make mistakes. And don't worry, fear, make mistakes. So uh, the video is in here. And friends, if you like the video, then the like and share and subscribe the channel. And see you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye.